5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Straight 70, keep right over crest and 4 left opens. Straight 30 and jump. Into K, keep left over jump and 3 left and turn air. Into 6 right, into long 6 left. Into 6 right over crest, keep in, 36 right and turn 5 left, tightens. Into 6 left, 50, 6 left over jump, keep in. Into 6 right split and turn 3 right, tarmac. 36 left and 6 right into turn hairpin left, gravel. Into jump and 6 right and 6 left opens, 70. K long 5 right over narrow bridge. 50 crest and K 5 left into turn 2 right. And 6 right into 3 left over crest. And 6 left, 30, 4 left, narrows. Into crest and 5 right and 6 left over crest and 6 right cut. 30 K 5 left over jump and 4 right split. Into K 3 right over crest, 3 outside. And 6 left into 6 crest, 50. Long 6 left, tightens to 4. 6 right into long 6 left, tightens to 3, narrows, don't cut. 50, jump, 50. 6 left over narrow jump, and 6 right. 50, turn 2 right. And 6 left, straight 30, 4 left. And 6 right, cut, straight 50. And long 4 right, into K 5 left, tightens to 4 over jump. 50 split, and jump. Into crest 30, 6 right over jump, into very long 6 right. Into K 6 right over big jump, and long 5 right, tightens. Into 6 right over jump, keep in, and 6 left. Right over crest, keep in, into jump, and K 6 right over big jump. Into 6 left over big jump. Crest, and on 5 right, opens over finish. And long 2 left, 30 to stop.